A centered double decrease, or S2KP, which is slip 2, knit pass, takes 3 stitches and decreases them down to 1, leaving the center stitch in the front. So it's completely balanced right and left. To work this S2KP, or centered double decrease, I begin by slipping the first 2 stitches together knitwise. So like I'm going to do a knit 2 together, but I'm just going to slip them. So I bring my left needle tip over here to the second stitch and go in them together knitwise and just slip them off the needle onto the right needle. Then I'm going to knit 1 and pass those 2 slipped stitches over. So I'll take my left needle tip, lift them over, and I have to control the yarn or control the tension on this stitch that I knitted to keep it from falling off. I can pull those 2 stitches over, and I have completed a centered double decrease. You can see that center stitch just stays the same throughout. I'll knit to the end of the row, purl, and come back and we'll do another one. Let's do another centered double decrease. I'm going to work up until the point of my decrease, and I want to decrease across these next 3 stitches, leaving the center stitch in front. Slip 2 together knitwise. And notice that the first stitch that my right needle touches is the center stitch. That's how I know that this is the stitch that's going to end up in front. Slip 2 together knitwise, knit 1, and pass those 2 slipped stitches over the knit stitch. Then I can work to the end. You can see I have a nice center line developing here where I've been doing my stacked centered double decreases. If you'd like more knit instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for more ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.